Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with a new project on the bench. This is not an entirely expected project, but if you follow me on Facebook or Instagram, you may have seen a post from a couple of days ago where I got some water damage on a few boxes, and I figured since many of those were projects that kind of fit in with my comic and book theme this year, I would just bump them up the priority list. And that includes this one here. It's the 2001-2002 Batmobile that was drawn by Roger Robinson for Gotham Knights. And his design was very much a then current Dodge Viper with a few bat accessories, including the then standard roundish headlights and opening in the hood. So what I've got here is AMT's Snapfast Slammer, and this is one of their no engine kits. So very basic assembly. And what I did is I filled in the inboard edges of the headlights and opened up the scoop there so that it's a full round as it was drawn. You can see I still have a little bit of filling to do and a little bit of cleanup on the hole, but that's pretty close to what I'm going to be going for as far as trying to match the comic art. I've also taken off the side marker lights since those were never included. And what I'm going to be doing for the engine here is I've got these out of an old G.I. Joe toy, and with a little bit of trimming they will fit right in there. One of them will at least. And you'll be able to just kind of barely see that through the opening on the hood. And that will be my Bat power plant. And I'm also going to be adding some fins from the Revell Batman Forever Batmobile. This is just going to be a quick project, famous last words, but hopefully I will not have anything else come up, and this time next week I will have this in some paint. So you can check back then, and thanks for watching.